In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can turn off SOS only on your iPhone. This works on all iPhones, so all you have to do, guys, is follow these exact steps and you will be able to fix this problem. I'm gonna be showing you guys 4 ways how to fix this problem. Now, the first thing, guys, you need to do, you wanna just scroll, swipe up like this. If you are using a newer iPhone, swipe down, okay, like this. Now, after that, guys, you wanna press on the airplane mode. You want to turn off you want to turn on airplane mode. Okay, this is airplane mode. Click on it. As you can see in the top left, you will see the airplane. Okay, now after that, you want to wait like 10 seconds and you want to turn it off. Now, as you can see here, you want to turn it off and it says here searching. Now see if the problem is fixed or not. If you still see SOS on your iPhone, then you have to disable and enable automatic network selection. You just want to open your settings and then you want to click on this it's called cellular. Okay, this cellular, and then you want to click on network selection and you want to turn it off, toggle it off. Now you want to wait, you want to select here your SIM card name. Okay, I'm going to select this one. And after that, guys, you want to turn it on again. Okay, turn on automatic network selection and see if the problem is resolved. Now, if you still see the same problem, then what you want to do, guys, after you are here, you want to click on cellular data option and then click on voice and data and change your internet from 4G to LTE if you have LTE. If you don't have it, just click on 3G and 3J and then select the 4G. Okay, just like this, and then click on it, click again on 4G. Now see if the problem resolved or not. Now if you still see SOS on your iPhone, then you have to restart your iPhone. You have to click the power button like this, and then you want to click on slide to power off. Okay, that's the solution, guys. That's the solution if you want to solve the SOS on your iPhone. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video. Please drop a like.